कितना प्यारा घर है, देखो एक रिच है. It's beautiful house. Falls का season, beautiful. Oh, you have the boat.
Big surf boat, yeah.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
It's mine and my brother's.
Oh, your brothers, okay.
We share it.
You share it, okay? And coming summer, I will borrow from you this one, okay?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You tell me what day and I'll deliver it to you.
Yeah, sure, yeah, thank you. I will take it. This is to the Waskesiu,
Oh yeah, yeah.
right?
Perfect.
I was in this summer. I was in Waskesiu. We rented this one from Waskesiu.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they have rental. You know. They have,
How much?
they for a 1 hour they charge $100 bucks.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But they are not like this one. This yours is luxury. It's beautiful.
It's more of a fishing boat. That you
Fishing,
rented,
yeah,
Or,
exactly.
yeah.
Yeah.
There might be some lentils here. Mm-hmm. I'll show you. Right there.
Yeah, this is a oh dalein dekho.
Try some of those.
Yeah. Good.
Good. Yeah, try some.
I will try now. Yeah.
Good protein, eh?
Just real protein. Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So all this was for sampling the
This is
the wheat,
from,
canola.
this is from bins. So this will be from whatever bin. Mm-hmm. And then every one of these will be from a separate bin.
Okay.
And then you bring them into the terminal or whatever, and then they'll look at it and then grade it. So the higher the grade, the more money you get.
Okay.
So you can see like that one there. That's bleached.
Okay.
It's not like nice and green like that one, for example.
Yeah.
It's not too bad, but yeah.
The more green
So
and the more big, the
the-
high quality, right?
Exactly, yeah.
Okay. Gotcha.
Or else if they're shriveled, it's not good. But these ones aren't bad.
Wow.
Didn't see too much rain.
Yes, it's good. Good taste though.
Yeah.
Yeah. I need some protein. I have to drive back to Saskatoon.
That will get you
One
to
and a half,
Saskatoon.
one and a
now,
half
eh?
hour driving it. While I was coming with you was with me, right? No, I had to drive alone.
Yeah. Yeah. Sprayer.
Sprayer.
Deere. Yeah, John Deere.
John Deere spray, huh?
Yeah.
You have a big farm, bro.
Yeah.
So this all for your cows?
Mm-hmm.
So you sell or just you keep only for your cows?
Just keep.
Keep,
Just
eh?
keep, yeah.
Is enough for the winter?
Yeah,
This-
yeah.
enough for this
That'll be
winter?
enough, yeah.
More than enough, I think, right?
Uh-huh.
How many cows do you have?
50.
50.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah.
ये एक और लुक में है तकरीबन यहाँ से हम लोग सास्केटून से 120 किलोमीटर दूर एक फार्म है ये एक मेरा दोस्त है उसका फार्म में हम आ गए हैं अभी यहाँ पे तकरीबन 22,000 एकड़ उसकी ज़मीन है 22,000 तो 50 गाय है बोलता है ये देखें वाह ये पूरी ज़मीन उन लोगों की है बड़ी बड़ी इक्विपमेंट्स रखे हुए हैं इनकी बड़ी मशीनों के सामने मेरी गाड़ी देखें छोटी सी लग रही है
Oh. Up so daisy.
So you do this one, huh?
Yeah.
Your dad teach you or you just do yourself?
He taught me. Yeah.
He taught you.
Yeah.
So you are just fix everything in computer here.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
then
That's the GPS right there. Yeah.
that's the GPS, okay.
And then it steers itself and
so
does everything.
GPS
Yeah.
does everything. Oh, but I do.
See, this is the water.
Okay.
So you put water in.
Okay.
And then this is the spray.
This is the spray.
So this kills all the weeds.
Okay.
The only thing it won't kill is canola.
Okay.
Crazy, eh?
Yeah. Really good.
Uh-huh.
This is so you will fill from here, right?
Yeah.
There is a water and this is
Water's in there, yeah.
okay.
And then you just hook this hose up here,
Okay.
hook that up there, and then fire up that engine, and it
Okay, this
Fills it up.
they fill it in a just few minutes only.
maybe 10 minutes.
10 minutes. 10 minutes fill.
1,250 gallons.
210 minutes.
See yeah. I
Wow.
think it's partially full right now.
How much the price for this sprayer? Almost
Maybe 130,
130.
150,000.
Wow. And how many years you are using this one?
This is the first year.
First year.
with it. Yeah.
Maybe 4 or 5 years you use this one?
Maybe more. Maybe more.
Maybe more.
This one's 2013, I think.
2013.
2013. 10-year-old machine.
10-year-old machine. Okay, okay. And this is the insurance and everything covers, right?
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah. So this is the storage for the wheat and lentils and all these things,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Canola also.
We'll if you want some lentils or wheat or whatever, we can all hook you up.
Yes, please. Yeah.
If you want to chew on some lentils or
Yes, some lentils. Yeah.
show you the.
I will take some lentils from my brother. Then we will try it at home.
There we go.
Yeah. That was a really great experience, bro.
Oh yeah.
Thank you very much for your time. Okay.
Absolutely. Thank
Yeah.
you. I'm not sure which bin.
यहाँ पे इन सब में देखो अलग अलग चीज़ें यहाँ से ये निकालेगा थोड़े बहुत देगा मुझे देखो स्टोरेज देखो
Well, that's barley.
barley
This is just for cows.
okay
Won't be good eating there. There's some wheat.
wheat huh
Wheat,
wow.
yeah. You gonna try it or?
गंदम में देखो वाह yeah lots of storage here huh?
This is for seed.
Seed okay
Yeah,
you keep
it's
for the
clean.
seed
It's clean.
okay so springtime you will use for the seed this one
Yeah.
okay
Seed. That one's empty. I don't think any of these will have lentils. They're all in the hopper bar. There's canola.
oh this is canola
Yeah.
oh I see first time canola like that
Oh, really?
yeah
This is
see?
the first time?
yeah this is my first time yeah
Cool, eh?
wow. Yeah, canola
Yeah, I don't think there's any lentils, but there's more wheat.
this is wheat more yeah
Canola again.
canola again hey
Yeah, I think these other four are maybe canola as well.
okay yeah no problem yeah kids bikes eh
Yeah, nieces and nephews.
okay
And here's this is for the combine.
mm-hmm.
Have you seen before? Header for cutting?
yeah I go one time this is for the harvesting
Yeah.
okay so this is also that you will put this one in a where with some any other machine any tractor
What's that?
You will use where you will use this one?
On the combine.
Okay.
On the front of the combine, and then you cut wheat, and then yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Technology.
You should have been here 1 month ago.
Yeah.
A little bit more than a month ago.
Next harvesting, okay?
Okay.
You
Sounds good. You got
text
my
me.
number, buddy.
I have your number, everything. So
Hit
I
me
will
up.
with you, okay?
Uh-huh.
Even in the springtime also I can come.
Yeah,
Right?
for sure. Oh yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, brother.
You betcha, buddy.
Then, yeah. So he taught me how to drive the what is
The
this?
sprayer. The sprayer, yeah.
sprayer.
The John Deere sprayer.
It's John Deere sprayer, and he is doing how many acres you will do today?
2,000, maybe only 70 today.
70
Maybe 1
today.
hour I'm done.
1 hour,
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
you will sleep, eh?
Then I'll sleep.
Thank you very much,
Yeah,
brother, your
thank
time.
you.
Okay, that was a really great experience with
Uh-huh.
you. Thank you, and God bless you, bro.
Yeah,
okay?
God bless you.
Thank you very much for watching. He's my buddy. Now I'm going to Saskatoon. Thank you very much, brother.
Yep. Thank you.
For your time, okay? God bless you.
God
Hey guys,
bless
if you like the video, please like and share. Okay, thank you.